Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Carolina Hassett. Gun ownership in limbo in Illinois after a federal judge ruled the state's ban on automatic weapons unconstitutional. The state has 30 days to respond to the judge's ruling. But what are gun owners allowed to do in the meantime? Fox Illinois' Monique Davis is working for you to find out. Monique?
That's right. Macon County Sheriff Jim Root says for right now, don't do anything. Root applauds the judge's decision, saying banning weapons was never the answer to saving lives. He says the state government should focus on creating stricter discipline strategies instead of banning assault weapons. He says a ban on assault weapons to correct issues is unrealistic.
They want to correct the problem. They need to hold the people that are committing crimes accountable. And if they do that, then there will be tougher penalties and people will do less crime.
Sheriff Jim Root says when it comes to homicides, the use of knives exceeds the use of rifles. The Protect Illinois Communities Act was signed in 2023, which the sale of assault weapons, high-capacity magazines, and switches in Illinois. Reporting in studio, I'm Monique Davis. Back to you.
Thank you, Monique. Now be sure to tune into Fox Illinois at 9 to hear more of Judge McGlynn's demands. Welcome back. Proceed as normal. That's the advice from one local sheriff after a federal judge ruled the state gun ban unconstitutional. Fox Illinois' Monique Davis is working for you on what you should not do in the next 30 days. Monique.
Do nothing. That's the word from Macon County Sheriff Jim Root. Root says the law was never the answer to saving lives and applauds the judge's ruling. Macon County Sheriff Jim Root says owning specific types of guns isn't the problem. It's the people committing the crimes.
They want to correct the problem. They need to hold the people that are committing crimes accountable. And if they do that, then there will be tougher penalties and people will do less crime.
Last Friday, Illinois federal judge Stephen McGlynn ruled the state's Protect Illinois Communities Act, which bans the sale or possession of semi-automatic weapons and requires existing owners of those weapons to register them with Illinois State Police, is unconstitutional. He's given the state 30 days to file an appeal. So what happens in the next 30 days? Root says citizens should proceed with normal activity.
The people that registered the guns, they should go about their business as if they did before. The people that decided that they were not going to register their guns, I wouldn't do anything different.
In a 168-page document, the judge says the act deprives law-abiding citizens of their rights to self-defense. But Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker says this legislation is necessary simply to keep people safe publicly and in private.
We're simply trying to keep people safe with the guns that are already out there and not add to the problem.
Root says statistically more homicides are committed using knives than rifles. Reporting in studio, I'm Monique Davis. Back to you.
Thank you, Monique. Now, the Protect Illinois Communities Act was signed into law in January of 2023 in the wake of the Highland Park mass shooting.
Don't miss a video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for more Central Illinois news.